Hi Nehi. So this video is specially for you and your baby. So we'll start. We will start with a nice breathing session which is known as alternate nostril breathing. So let's start. You can sit, if you're sitting down, if you can sit down, you can sit in a comfortable position like Sukhasana. If you're not able to sit down, you can always do this on a chair as well. So left hand in chin mudra, your index and your middle finger together and other three fingers relaxed. Right hand, take your thumb and your ring finger, that will be most dominant. Take your thumb, slowly press your thumb on your right nostril. Inhale from your left nostril. So inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press your nostril with your ring finger. Release your thumb and exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. This completes one round. We do this 3 more times. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. So doing this alternate nostril breathing will give a nice fresh supply of oxygen to you and to the baby. So very essential to do this before you start your warm-ups. Even before, if you're going for your walks, just sit down and just do this alternate nostril breathing. You'll really feel very good. Right now we've done it only for 3 counts. You can do this for 5 to 7 counts as well. Chalo, we'll start with the warm-ups now. Slowly we'll start with neck. So take a nice inhalation, look completely up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up, we do this 3 times. Exhale down, chin to chest. Try to sync this asana with the breath. Inhale up to reap maximum benefits. Exhale down, chin to chest. Inhale center. Exhale right over your shoulders. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right to your center. Exhale left. Last time. Inhale center. Exhale right. Slowly from here, take your chin as axis and very slowly take your chin up. Take your chin towards your left. Slowly take it down and continue this range of motion 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Neck rotation. While you're doing this, try to close your eyes and do so that you can feel your every movement. Once you're done with 3 times clockwise, hold it here and very slowly 3 times anti-clockwise without feeling dizzy. Very slowly try to sync your breath and asana together. So when you go up, you inhale, you stretch your thyroid gland, and when you come down, you exhale, you squeeze your thyroid gland. One last time. Inhale, take it up, and as you exhale, complete range of motion, slowly take it down. Slowly release and look up. Now shoulders. यहाँ से straighten this nice and tight and 2 circular rotations. Ideally in my classes we do this 30 times, but for you can just do this 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Palms up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly from here, take this aside, take this in and inhale. This is for your fingers. Inhale, exhale. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. दूसरा हाथ, inhale, down, inhale, down, inhale, exhale. Tighten your fist, slowly circulate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, palms facing the ceiling. Exhale, cup your shoulder and shoulder movement. Inhale, take this hand up. As you exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades, open your chest and join your elbows. We do this for 3 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, down. Anti-clockwise. Inhale, open your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades. As you exhale, slowly. Again, 2 times. Inhale. As you exhale, join your elbows and come down. Last time. Inhale and slowly exhale. Now, for back pain particularly, the upper back pain, थोड़ा rib cage में भी कभी-कभार pain होता है. This is especially for neonatal. इसको ऐसे रखो, हाथ को straighten रखो. Now, as you inhale, I want you to go behind. Inhale, slowly go behind and release. इससे बहुत राहत मिलती है. Inhale, go behind and release. One more time. Inhale, पीछे जाना है and release. Now, from here, take your left elbow, place it down. Don't place it here. As close as possible to your body. Take your right hand. Take a nice inhalation from here. As you exhale, stretch this over your shoulders, over your head, and slowly look up. Again, whenever you stretch, even in your normal never stretch from your shoulders. Always from your hips. Shoulder remains in the ball and socket, in that socket. Your hip. So when you're stretching, very mindfully, not from your shoulders, from your hip. We hold this. We look up for 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back up. We repeat the same thing with the other hand. Slowly press this hand down. Inhale. Take your left hand up. As you exhale, over the shoulders, hips se stretch karna. Look up. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back up. Take a breather. अब यहाँ से we slowly go to our main exercises. So you have warmed up your upper body. अब हम जाएंगे lower body के लिए. अब यहाँ से very slowly, okay, come to table posture. This is table. Okay, now table के measurements होते हैं. Your hand and your shoulder and your hand should be in line. Your pelvic and your knee should be in line. Okay. Now once you are in table, very slowly, अपने इसको roll मत करना. Straighten, आराम से रखना अपने knees को. Now we do this. It's called as cat and camel. Amazing for pregnancy, backache के लिए and a good stretch. So inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly down. So you're inhaling, you're looking up like a cat does. And you're exhaling, you're slowly hunching like a camel. बहुत ही धीरे से. Controlled movements, very mindful. Inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly. So now when you're here, try to look at your belly. We do this for 3 more times. Inhale, up. This gives a nice massage to the baby also. Exhale, look at your tummy. Again. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Look at your tummy. Last time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now from here, slowly release. If you want, you can take a breather. थोड़ा सा take a breath. Sit in Vajrasana. Wrist अगर दुख रहा है तो थोड़ा सा wrist rotation कर लो. After that, come back here. Come back to table. Now, I assume you've been doing exercises and you've been very active, so this should be a little easy for you. So from here, I want you to slowly straighten your right leg. जितना हो सके उतना slowly straighten your right leg. Look in front and hold this posture for 5 breaths. So if you're doing together with me, We can do this together. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. धीरे से नीचे रखना है. Same thing repeat with the left leg. Slowly take it up, very slowly take it straighten, and you can either look straight or you can look down. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and come back. Now from here, okay, you can either go take a child's pose, or if you are ready to continue, curl your toes up and बहुत ही धीरे से, slowly taking care of your belly, very slowly come up to downward facing dog. Usually हम लोग downward dog ऐसे करते हैं, but for you I will suggest that you bend your knees a little bit and come on your toes. So hold this posture. This is downward facing dog. Again, when you are holding this, I want you to look at your belly. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. From here, very slowly tiptoe, tiptoe and come back up. Take a breather. Now I'll show you 3 exercises. You can choose and take whichever suits you and your body the best. The first exercise is Warrior 2. Again, this is very good for your thighs. It stretches your abdomen, gives more space for the baby to move around, and it strengthens your inner muscles as well. So, on top of the mat, hold this posture, hips on the hand, slowly bend your knees and take a decently wide stance. Okay, from here, your right leg, point towards the right. Left leg points a little inward. Now when you do this, your body will go a little this side. इसको ऐसे लेकर आना. Take a nice inhalation. As you exhale, I want you to bend the knees. जितना हो सके उतना, इतना तो इतना. But when you're bending, don't go like this. You remain straight. Bend the knees इतना. Okay. आपको और अगर हो सकता है तो please go down. But always remember, when you're bending your knees in Warrior 2, your knees should never go beyond your toes. So if you're bending and if you have the capacity to bend more, I would want you to slowly come like this. Never go ऐसे नहीं जाना है, ये हमेशा straight रहना है. So this is Warrior 2. From here, final drishti is you look towards the right, middle finger. Hold this posture just for 2 breaths. 1 and 2. Slowly release, straighten your leg and relax your hands. We do the same thing on the other side. So your right leg comes inward, left leg turns towards the left. Torso again straight. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly bend your knees and go down. Again, your knees should never go beyond your toes. Hold this posture and look towards the left, middle finger. Hold this for 3, 2 and 1. Slowly straighten your legs. Take a breather here. Hands on your head, legs. अभी ये जो leg ऐसा है ना, अभी यहाँ से हम सीधा जाएंगे goddess squat पे. Goddess squat is amazing for having normal delivery, amazing for this particular area, and again improving blood circulation for your baby. So हमें ना पैर ऐसे रखने हैं. ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है तो आप 45 degrees रख सकते हो. So your legs have to be like this. If not, keep it to 45 degrees. And what do? You have to squat. जितना हो सके squat. इतना तो इतना, इतना जा रहे तो इतना. But don't come ahead, come behind. Okay. So what are we doing here? You inhale here. Exhale, come back up. Okay, just touch your belly. Inhale. Exhale. We do this for 2 more times. You might actually feel really relieved while you're doing this. Inhale, spine straight. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Hold this posture. I want you to hold your belly while you're doing this. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2. At the count of 1, slowly exhale and release. This was second. Third, the triangle pose, Trikonasana. You can slowly lessen this gap. Come to a medium stance. Okay. Or if you've taken a break now, come back to center. Hands on your hips. Bend your legs and slowly come to a medium stance. From here, right leg turns towards the right. Left leg 45-degree inward. So your torso will go like this, diagonally. Get it back straight. Take a nice inhalation. As you exhale, I want you to push your pelvic to the left and very slowly. It's a lateral bend. Go down, jitna ho sake utna. You can hold your knee. If you can go more down, thoda sa calf muscle. Just hold it here and relax. Either look straight or you look up. Hold this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back up. Take a breather. अब यहाँ से we do the other side. So right leg inward, left leg towards the left. अब ये ऐसे inward करते हैं ना. Don't do complete 45 degrees, just inward. तो आपका torso ऐसे diagonally जाता है. So push it here, straighten it. Inhale. Now since we are going towards the left, push your pelvic to the right and slowly come down and hold your knee. If you can come down a little more, hold your shin muscle. Or if you can come down a little more, beautiful will be to hold your ankle and you either look up or if you feel scared looking up, just look straight. But don't go like this, okay? Don't compromise on the stretch. Even if you're itna bhi aa rahe ho to bhi bahut ho gaya, lekin just to go down, don't compromise on the stretch. Hold this posture for 5, 4, feel the stretch here. 3, 2, at the count of 1, slowly come back up and take a breather. अब यहाँ से last 2 exercises. The second last one is called as Malasana. Okay, this is again really very good for having. It gives you very good stamina and it promotes normal delivery. So here your legs have to be hip wide apart. अब यहाँ से you can take support of somebody. किसी का हाथ पकड़ लो और हाथ पकड़ के बटक्स को ऐसे पीछे ले जाना है और आपको पूरा मलासना में बैठने की कोशिश करनी है. नहीं हो रहा है तो इतने में आ जाओ. पूरा हो रहा है तो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. यहाँ से व्हाट यू डू, पुश योर एल्बो ऐसे पुश, तो ये एरिया आपका खुलेगा. सो पुश योर एल्बो एंड नमस्कारा टू द हार्ट सेंटर. इफ पॉसिबल स्टे हियर फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 breaths. इफ नॉट यहाँ पे आ जाओ और यहाँ आने के बाद धीरे से हाथ को पीछे रखो और बैठ जाओ बद्ध कोणासना, बटरफ्लाई पोज. दिस इज अमेजिंग फॉर this cannot be missed in any of the neonatal yoga courses or any other neonatal courses if you're already taking. So here this is Baddha Konasana. It's called as the butterfly pose. तो Baddha Konasana में if you can see my leg, it is like this. मैंने मेरे legs को ऐसे रखा हुआ है. If you want to come to Baddha Konasana just like that, not Malasana, so slowly take your legs, straighten it, come to Dandasana. यहाँ से आपको इसको legs को ऐसे ले आना है, ऐसे अपने दोनों heels को join करने की कोशिश करें and try to get them as near as possible. जितना हो सके उतना. From here, slowly take your hands and अपने पैरों को ऐसे जोड़ दें. Now straighten your spine, roll your shoulders, and from here slowly try to flap your thighs. Even if you can do for 10 counts, amazing. If you're not able to flap it, just hold it here. That's all. Itna hi, and feel the stretch out here. If you can flap, let's flap together. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If possible, repeat for 2 more sets. We'll do 1 more set together. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Take a breath. Take your left hand. Place it on the knee. Right hand behind. Take a breather. And slowly twist. Jitna ho sake, twist. Hold this for 1, 2, 3. Again, release. Right hand. Left knee pe. Left hand behind. Near your spine. Inhale. As you exhale, थोड़ा सा twist करें जितना हो सके उतना. And breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly release and take a breath. So these are some of the exercises which you can do. In fact, there are a lot more. In this video also, you can take whatever suits your body. And I wish you all the best.